Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. In the previous lectures, we have studied about one group CX disconnection. Now, today I shall discuss two group CX disconnection. It is more efficient than one group CX disconnection. It is useful for synthesis of biomolecules. In two group CX disconnection, the target molecule has two functional groups in which one functional group helps to disconnect another. According to position of two functional groups, two group disconnection is three types. First, 1-1 disconnection. If the two groups are present at position 1, or we can say at same carbon atom, therefore we say 1-1 disconnection. In 1-2 disconnection, the functional group present at carbon atom 1 and 2, or we can say at adjacent carbon atom. And in 1-3 disconnection, the functional group present at position 1 carbon atom and third carbon atom. In retrosynthetic arrow, we write above the retrosynthetic arrow 1-1 diex for the 1-1 disconnection, 1-2 diex for the 1-2 disconnection, and 1-3 diex for the 1-3 disconnection. Now let us see 1-1 disconnection when the both groups present are same and present at one carbon atom. Here the oxymethyl group and here oxymethyl group both are the same groups and present at the carbon 1, here same carbon atom, and on disconnection this group remove with its lone pair of electrons and therefore helps to disconnection of this OMe group. It removes with its lone pair of electrons and therefore at the same time OMe donates its lone pair of electron to this carbon atom, and the second structure, this one is formed, which on further disconnection it gives ketone and methyl alcohol. Therefore in this disconnection two molecule of methyl alcohol is removed from the target molecule. The other example for the retrosynthetic analysis of this type of the compound, here at position this carbon atom two functional group are present, therefore it is called 1-1 disconnection, and we write 1-1 diex above the retrosynthetic arrow and obtain two synthetic equivalent. Here after disconnection, one is the aldehyde and one is the alcohol. Now the synthesis of this target molecule can be achieved by the combining these two compounds, which is obtained after the disconnection of this target molecule, and by adding aldehyde with alcohol, and we get the target molecule. In case of cyclic compound, here this is the cyclic compound. Here this carbon atom contain two functional group, therefore 1-1 diex is possible here, and after disconnection the two compounds are obtained this type. Here we can explain here this one synthetic equivalent may be plus 2 plus and the second one is the O minus, here this 2 plus, and this is O minus after disconnection of this compound, and the synthetic equivalent of this synthone is this one, and the synthetic equivalent of this synthone is this one. Therefore, by combining the synthetic equivalent this, and we obtain the cyclic compound of this type, where both groups are different. The second conditions, here at carbon, this carbon atom, OH group and cyanide group is present, both are different group. Therefore, on disconnection, Cn removed with its lone pair of electron, with its bonding electrons, and form Cn minus, and OH at the same time donates its lone pair of electron to this carbon atom on form covalent bond. Here this structure R C R dash double bond OH plus. Here this is the unstable compound, therefore it remove one proton and form the ketone, and this proton removed is attached with the Cn minus and form the HCl. Now we are taking another example, the retrosynthetic analysis of this type of the compound. In this compound, this type of the compound not easy to disconnect, therefore we take FGI here, and in place of this compound we disconnect this compound, and after the 1-1 disconnection we obtain this synthetic equivalent and this synthetic equivalent Cn minus, here OH plus, and this is unstable, it remove one proton from here and form cyclic ketone, and the proton removal from here H plus join with Cn minus and form HCl. Now the synthesis, here the cyclic ketone on reaction with KCl in presence of acid, it form this addition compound, and which on reduction gives the target molecule. The 1,2 disconnection, we write 1,2 diex. When two functional groups are present at adjacent carbon atom, then we called it 1,2 disconnection. For example, retrosynthetic analysis of this type of the compound, here the one functional group is OCOR and the second functional group is N-nucleophile, and it present at position 1 and 2, therefore we called 1,2 disconnection. Here also this compound we can take 1 Cl group and 2 position nucleophile. On FGI, we take the alcohol of this compound because it is not easy to carry out the disconnection of this type of the compound or this type of the compound. Therefore, we carried out FGI and formed this compound, and disconnection takes place in this compound, and 1,2 disconnection takes, and not here, the disconnection takes place at 2 after 2 position. Here 1 and 2, and disconnection we take here after 2 position, and the 2 synthone is formed nucleophile and CH2 plus CH2OH. Then nucleophile synthone, this is the synthetic equivalent, and for this synthone, this epoxide is the synthetic equivalent. And on synthesis, we take here the starting material is epoxide and this NuH, and on addition to this compound to this epoxide, it form this type of the compound, which on reaction with acid in presence of acid H plus ion, it form NuCH2CH2 OCOR, and here in presence of HCl, it form the target molecule of this type and the target molecule of this type. Now, the retrosynthetic analysis of 2,4-dichlorophenolic acid. Here, according to second guideline, we disconnect after the heteroatom, and according to 1,2 disconnection, we also disconnect after position 2. Here, this is 1, this is 2, and these are the two functional group. Therefore, we say here 1,2 disconnection, and we disconnect after 2. We write here 1,2 diex, and the two synthones obtained here, this one is the O minus and this one is the CH2 plus COOH. The synthetic equivalent of these two synthone is this type of the phenol, 2,4-dichlorophenol, and this is the chloroacetic acid. On combining these two synthetic equivalent, we get our target molecule, that is the 2,4-dichlorophenolic acetic acid. Now we can also take another example, retrosynthetic analysis of this type of the target molecule. Here we get two options, option 1 and option 2, but we do not carry out the disconnection at this position because here aromatic ring is attached, and according to guideline 3, we cannot disconnect after the aromatic ring. Therefore, the best disconnection is this disconnection, and we disconnect by A type, and we obtain two synthons. This one synthon, and this is the second synthon, which on disconnection by A disconnection here, and this is the synthetic equivalent of this synthon, and this is the synthetic equivalent of this synthon. And on synthesis, we add here starting material which is obtained after the retrosynthetic analysis of this target molecule. This is the starting material, and which react with this aniline. Here the electron displacement from this carbon to this oxygen atom, and we get this type of the compound here, NH2 plus. Therefore, hydrogen removal is takes place, and hydrogen removed as proton donating the bonding electrons to this nitrogen atom. Therefore, this nitrogen becomes neutral, and this hydrogen which is removed as H plus is added with this oxygen minus, O minus, and we get the target molecule of this type. Another example we can take here. This is the another example where the 1,2 disconnection we can take place. Here this is the 1 and this is the 2 position, and after we 2 position we disconnect the compound, and we obtain these two synthone, and these are the synthetic equivalent by adding negative parts to here positive synthone, and by adding positive parts to here negative synthone. These two compounds are obtained after disconnection, and on synthesis these are the starting material. Therefore, on synthesis the reaction of this compound with acid, it forms the target molecule of this type. Thank you.